Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix G-Sync flickering, stuttering, and lagging. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to open up NVIDIA app. On NVIDIA app, look for drivers, and if there is a drivers on your GPU that you need to download and install it, please do so, right? And then restart your computer. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to settings, and then you just need to disable overlay. So as you can see here, there is NVIDIA overlay. Just disable it, and then look if the problem persists. Also, a lot of other applications use this overlay, like Steam, Discord, EA app, and bunch of others. So try to disable all the overlays or don't use these apps, and look if you getting errors or not. Just disable overlays. Then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up graphic settings. Then you need to go to change default settings, and then make sure the variable refresh rate is on. If for some reason this option is not available for you, you just need to right click on desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. And on NVIDIA control panel, go to setup G-Sync, make sure enable G-Sync and G-Sync compatible is enabled, and then make sure enable for windowed and full screen mode is selected, not this one, but this, and then you should change variable refresh rate option, right? And if this, if these methods do not help you, what I suggest to do here is to look if it's a G-Sync problem or not. So what you need to do here is to go to manage 3D settings. Then you need to go to on, as you can see here, monitor technology, and then change monitor technology from G-Sync compatible to fixed refresh, and look if the problem persists or not, right? And that's pretty much it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.